Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting a focused set of images that reflect real conditions. This reduces edge cases later. Open your chosen labeling tool and load the folder, then create the class list so every annotation uses the same labels. Once done, set a default bounding box color and shortcut keys to speed up work. You want to label demonstrative examples first, examples that show occlusion, scale, and orientation, because they teach your model the important variations. You should draw tight boxes around each object so the model learns precise localization. Loose boxes confuse it. While annotating, mark occluded and truncated instances with the same class so the model sees real-world conditions. Make consistent decisions on ambiguous parts. For example, always include handles or always exclude them, because consistency improves training stability. Once you finish a batch, run a quick quality pass over 10% of images to catch systematic errors early. You export annotations in the required format, then split into train, val, and test sets so evaluation is meaningful. Make sure file names and annotation links match, and run a quick training sanity check to verify annotations load properly. If metrics look wrong, inspect examples for label drift or inconsistent boxes. Correcting those few systematic mistakes usually fixes most problems. Finally, keep a small blind set you never touch so you can gauge true generalization.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.